Modern manufacturing environments require real-time visibility and shop floor control. IMCO CMAG MES provides that visibility and control. Manufacturing execution systems are the tools by which data is acquired and shown to all pertinent parties in real time, enhancing control and reducing response time. IMCO CMAG MES is flexible enough to be implemented as a standalone shop floor control or integrated with any ERP system. Clients all over the world are already using IMCO CMAG MES. IMCO CMAG MES meets all functionalities required by ISA 8895 standards. State-of-the-art scheduling. Intuitive, visual, and user-friendly graphics. High granularity down to 1/4 of an hour intervals. Real-time graphic capacity overview. Clear color representation of setup, run, and disassembly time. IMCO CMAG MES can handle dynamic routing logic when setup and disassembly time is dependent on the product sequence. JIT and ASAP logic is interchangeable at the click of a button. Alerts regarding conflict in the schedule due to machinery, tools, personnel, or lack of availability of raw materials. IMCO CMAG MES is the most flexible manufacturing execution system available. A panel PC next to each machine in the shop can have a different view with the information pertinent to that work center. Each work center can be set up showing different information as required by the supervisor in charge. Multiple levels of supervision with different views for each level. IMCO CMAG MES provides real-time information to managers and supervisors at every level. Data is being collected from every area on the shop floor and displayed in real time on managers' and supervisors' screens. Issues are communicated in real time to supervisors by email, SMS, or visually on their screens, which allows corrective action to take place as soon as possible, reducing downtime, scrap, rework, and increasing profitability. IMCO CMAG MES can satisfy the most demanding traceability requirements. IMCO CMAG MES provides comprehensive backward traceability information, such as materials and components that went into making the product, who participated in making the product, in which machine was the product made, and when was the product made. IMCO CMAG MES is the most flexible manufacturing execution system available. To start the road to better customer service, more efficient operations, and higher profits, contact one of our representatives for a no-obligation demo.